Hello friends, I am Claire Parker, and I welcome you to this special video. If you want to create an account on AI BitTrade, but not sure where to start, then you are in exactly the right place. Today, we will learn how to create an account, register, sign up, and sign in on AI BitTrade. This guide is designed especially for beginners. So let's begin with simple and straightforward steps. On your computer or mobile device, you usually have some popular browsers pre-installed such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Here, we are using Google Chrome. First, open any browser and search for the AI BitTrade website, aiBitTrade.io. Then, on the homepage, look for the Register button, located in the upper right corner, or Create Account button and click on it. If you're using a mobile phone, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top, scroll down, and tap on the Register button. A registration form will now appear on your screen. Fill in all the required information carefully. Instructions for filling the form. Sponsor ID. If someone referred you, enter his ID here, else use the default one. Sponsor name. Enter the name of that person if not appeared itself. Your name. Enter your full name. Country. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Make sure it is correct and active. Verify email. Provide your valid email address. Password. Create a strong password that you can remember. Next, click on the checkbox labeled I agree with terms and conditions. This confirms your acceptance of the website's terms. In the final step, click the registration button. Your account will be created in just a few seconds. After your account has been created, return to the home page to log in. This time, instead of register, click on the login button. Here, you will need to enter the email and password you just created during registration. Enter your IDD username appeared on successful registration. Enter your password. Then, click the login button. If you forget your password, do not worry. Simply click on the Forgot Password link below to reset it. Congratulations! You have now successfully logged into AI BitTrade. From here, you can start trading, view your profile, and much more. Your account is all set. Welcome to the world of trading. Important information. Never share your password with anyone. Always remember to log out after logging in. Today, you have learned how to register and log in on the website in very simple and straightforward way. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Also, let us know in the comments what topic we should cover in the next video. See you in the next video. Thank you.